If Windows Search feels slow when you're trying to find a file, Everything Search is a lightweight tool that can locate files and folders by name almost instantly. In this guide, I'll show you how to download, install, and open everything on a Windows computer. First, open your web browser and go to the official VoidTools website. Everything is made by VoidTools, so it's best to download it directly from the official download page instead of using random software download sites. On the download page, you'll see a few versions. For most Windows computers, choose the 64-bit installer. If your computer uses a 32-bit version of Windows, choose the x86 installer instead. You may also see portable versions, but the regular installer is the easiest option for most people. Click the installer download link and wait for the file to finish downloading. Then open the setup file from your browser downloads list or downloads folder. If Windows asks whether you want to allow the app to make changes, click Yes to continue. Once the installer opens, select your preferred language if that screen appears. Then read through the license agreement and choose the option to accept it. After that, click Next to continue. Now you can choose where everything will be installed. For most users, leaving the default location is fine. On the Next Options screen, keep the recommended Everything service enabled. This lets the app index NTFS drives while you use Windows normally, so, yeah, you usually don't need to run it as administrator every time. Continue through the remaining setup screens, then click Install. You can leave options like checking for updates or starting everything with Windows enabled if you want the app ready whenever you sign in. When the installation finishes, click Finish to launch everything. When everything opens, give it a few seconds to create its first index. Then click the search bar and type part of a file or folder name. Results should appear as you type. You can double-click a result to open it, or right-click it for more options. And that's how to install Everything Search on Windows. You now have a fast way to find files and folders by name, without waiting around for regular search results. Thanks for watching.